How does it even F or M? Why does the air spin like that?
Two invisible forces meet, and when they disagree, warm, humid air wants to rise. Cold, dry air pushes under it. When winds at different altitudes move in different directions, they create horizontal spin. Then the updraft tilts that spin vertical, and a tornado is born. Inside the funnel, the outer walls spin at 300 kilometers per hour, but the very center, like a hurricane's eye, is calmer. The extreme low pressure can literally explode buildings from the inside. A tornado is a giant vacuum cleaner pointed at the sky. Doppler radar can detect the rotation before a tornado even touches down. The blue and red hook pattern
on radar is the warning sign. Today's warnings save thousands of lives every year.
I made a tornado in a bottle.
You made a vortex, rotating fluid, the exact same physics as a real tornado, just slightly less dangerous to your house. Tornado Alley in the USA has 1,200 tornadoes per year. The fastest tornado ever recorded was 500. So tornadoes are basically atmospheric arguments.
That is the most accurate science I have ever heard from an 8-year-old.
Please like and subscribe for more videos.